コリンズさん。フィリピンのラスピナス出身です。2013年から2016年までの3年間、技能実習生として滞在し、日本で車の整備について学びました。家族との離れ離れの3年間を経て、現在は家族の家から歩いてすぐのマニラ近郊のラスピナスにある整備工場モーテックに就職。信頼されるメカニックとしてこの会社で活躍しています。
Since 2002, in I think second year high school, I started as helper mechanic, uncle shop. I select Japan because I want to learn more about the Japan culture and technology and automotive industry to enhance my career in automotive, and I'm a skilled worker. I want to help my family and my siblings to finish their education. And in Japan, metal painting, change oil, and change tire. Japan, they use pneumatic tools. Then here in Philippines, use the manual. It's a big difference. I enjoy my holiday in Japan when I use my phone to call my mother and brothers. I have a homesick because my grandmother was in the hospital right at that time. My future dream is I think I want to a good mechanic someday. Then I think let's say legendary. My message to my kohai is focus on your goal and study hard. Learn about the automotive industry and 頑張りましょう。